Crystals and meditation. A harmonious blend. Crystals are beautiful. Crystals have energy. Many people use crystals for healing. Meditation is a practice for relaxation and focus. Combining crystals with meditation is powerful. It can enhance your practice. Crystals have different vibrations. These vibrations can connect with your energy. This connection can help deepen your meditation. Crystals can promote peace and well-being. Crystals can bring calmness to meditation. They do this with their gentle energy, which can be felt when you hold them or place them nearby. This calmness helps quiet the mind, allowing you to enter a deeper state of relaxation. They help you focus on your inner self, making it easier to connect with your thoughts and feelings. Crystals can amplify intentions, acting as a conduit for your desires and goals. They can help manifest desires by channeling your energy more effectively. Each crystal has unique properties such as promoting love, protection, or clarity. These properties can support different meditation goals, whether you're seeking peace, insight, or healing. Some people use crystals for emotional healing, finding comfort and balance. Others use them for spiritual exploration, seeking a higher understanding. Crystals can enhance the meditation experience, creating a deeper connection to yourself and the universe. Amethyst is a beautiful purple crystal, often associated with peace and intuition. It is known to calm the mind, making it an excellent choice for meditation. Amethyst can relieve stress and anxiety, helping you find inner tranquility. Rose quartz is a lovely pink crystal, renowned for its connection to love and compassion. It can open the heart chakra, fostering emotional healing. Rose quartz promotes self-love and acceptance, encouraging a deeper connection with oneself and others. Clear quartz is a versatile, clear crystal, celebrated for its ability to bring clarity and amplify energy. It can enhance focus and concentration, making it a powerful tool for mental clarity. Clear quartz can also amplify the energy of other crystals, boosting their effects and creating a harmonious energy field. Section 4. Integrating crystals into your meditation practice. Crystals can enhance your meditation by providing a focal point and amplifying your intentions. Choose a crystal that resonates with you. Trust your intuition when selecting a crystal, as each one has unique properties and energies. You can hold it in your hand, feel its texture and weight, allowing it to ground you in the present moment. You can place it in front of you. Position it where you can see it, letting its presence guide your focus. Visualize its energy surrounding you. Imagine a warm, glowing light emanating from the crystal, enveloping you in a protective and calming aura. Start with a few deep breaths. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling the crystal's energy merging with your own. Let go of any thoughts. Feel the crystal's energy. Allow it to help you release any tension or stress. Allow it to support your meditation. Experiment with different crystals. Each session can be a unique experience with different crystals. Find what works best for you. Notice how different crystals affect your meditation and choose the one that feels right. There is no right or wrong way. Trust your intuition. Your personal connection with the crystal is what matters most. Section 5. Crystals through time, history and science. Crystals have been used for centuries. Ancient cultures used them for healing and rituals. They believed in their energetic properties. Scientifically, crystals are structured forms. They vibrate at specific frequencies. These vibrations can interact with human energy. While some scientific studies exist, more research is needed. The use of crystals for healing is not a substitute for medical advice. It is a complementary practice. Section 6. Embracing the benefits of crystal meditation. Meditating with crystals can be beneficial. It can promote relaxation and peace. It can enhance self-awareness and intuition. It can support emotional and spiritual growth. Remember, consistency is key. Regular practice can lead to deeper experiences. Listen to your intuition and choose crystals that resonate with you. Enjoy the journey of crystal meditation. Embrace the positive energy they bring to your life.